All right, let's say you want to deliver a live training on your website, Squarespace website, and then deliver it. First, let's go to Pages and create a store. We'll title it Trainings. You can design it however you want. Coming down here is where you'll add an item. So you just can create the item, edit the product. You're going to make it a service product, add photo, pricing, all of that. And then save it. Once you've created the product, the service, that will allow them to purchase it. I would suggest if it's a one-time product to go over to Commerce, and you can make it, because usually you have to will go into your cart and then somebody has to check out, and it's just a hassle. So I would go and I would click this. That was the other one. So if you come to cart, you can enable express checkout, so that right when they click on the button that says purchase, it takes them to the checkout page. You can't change the continue shopping link once they purchase. It'll say continue shopping, and I wanted to change that to go to home, but didn't allow me to. So just as a little note. And then what we want to do is deliver it. So this is where your email marketing comes in, and this is $10 a month extra to do an automation. So go to email campaigns, automations, add an automation. Put in all the information, and then you'll just want to say, this is going to be a live training or whatever, and have the link to the training. You can style it however you want. Then if you come over to email, the automation is after the purchase of the product, and you want to click on that product. Timing is immediately, and make sure you change the subject as well as the email preview text. You'll have to add a legal address, that's just mandatory, as well as your sender details. Then activate automation. And then let's say it's a training on a certain day. You could add another automation, but then you have to do it in 7 days or whatever. And so if you want it for a specific day, go to create and you'll do a blast. Choose a template you like. We're going to just go with this. And you'll add in everything you need. And then, of course, you can schedule it for the date right before the training. In 1 day, the training is coming up or whatever. And then you'll just have this go out to customers. And this is just assuming that you've only created one product. A couple things to note: if you have a ton of products and you want them to each be tagged as different customers, you can't currently do that with Squarespace. So it'll all just be purchasers, which is not great if you have multiple products. Can't be sorted or tagged based on the product they purchased. Workaround: they'll automatically be tagged as customer in the profiles. So if you go over to profiles, you can edit their information. So if you come over to customers, you can come here and custom tag them right here. So then if you go back into marketing, email campaigns, and go to your scheduled emails, well, I have put it under draft now, and click edit. You could come over to email and change the unique recipients to being tags and get that tag, but it's just a lot more manual work, of course. All in all, Squarespace email marketing is great, especially if you have a product, but it's not perfect. I will link below a blog I made about the email platform I suggest for entrepreneurs and why I think it's the best platform. But this one is good if you are wanting to do everything in Squarespace.